Want to keep your hair on your head and not on your brush? Let's get into some effective tips and tricks to stop hair fall. First up, diet. Munch on protein-packed foods like eggs, fish and nuts. And don't forget your greens like spinach and legumes. Your hair will thank you. Next, show your scalp some love. Massage it gently every day to boost blood circulation and steer clear of harsh shampoos and conditioners. Your scalp's best friend's gentle products. Stress can be a hair fall villain, so practice yoga, meditation or deep breathing. Relax and let your hair relax too. Avoid tight hairstyles like ponytails or braids. They can pull on your hair and cause breakage, and if you're worried, consult a doctor. It's always good to get a professional opinion. For home remedies, try onion juice, aloe vera gel or coconut milk on your scalp before shampooing. These natural treatments can work wonders. Remember, these tips may not work for everyone, so if hair fall persists, seek professional help. Keep your hair and your spirits up.